Welcome back to 2 Minute or Less Thursday. Honestly, guys, I got a really cool tip for you today. This tip is you've got a blow dryer. Hopefully everybody blow dries their hair, right? Now, one of the things people ask me all the time, they're like, does a blow dryer burn your hair? It can burn your hair. If my hand is hair and you keep this blow dryer going just like this, it's not on right now, but if you keep it going just like this, you're gonna burn yourself. But if you go back and forth just like this as it's on, I'm gonna show you really quick. You'll never burn yourself. That's the really cool thing about that, is that no matter how close that blow dryer is to your hair, and try this at home, you'll never burn your hands. Now again, if you stop just like this, you will burn yourself, you will burn your hair, or you'll make your hair a little bit more compromised by using so much heat. So just understand that, guys. That little tip right there will definitely save your hair when you are blow drying. Thanks for tuning in, guys, for another edition of 2 Minute or Less Thursday. My name is Jake Thompson Hair. I'll see you in the next video.